Get 65 all the way on the final. Have fun doing this over the lake. I've done this in a while. And tower, firm 604, clear to land, runway 8 right.
Over 604 from
604, thanks, clear to land 8 right, thanks. Alright, there's the left, there's the right, we're on the right. Two boats in the parking lot. Kind of cool to watch from the side. You just watch.
Brackett Tower, Diamond Star, 431 Juliet Papa, holding short, runway 8 right, request southwest departure.
Star 431 Juliet Papa, Brackett Tower, standby for 2 landing aircraft.
Standby, Diamond Star 1 Juliet Papa.
Watch out for these trees. These are really up there. Wow, these trees are really high.
Brackett Tower, GBM 222 Charlie Sierra, 3,600 just north of Ontario.
Wow.
TBM 222 Charlie Sierra, Brackett Tower, make right traffic for runway 8 right.
Any chance of 26 left for 2 Charlie Sierra?
Number 2 Charlie Sierra, sorry, I have a couple aircraft in the pattern. I can't do that right now.
Right, understand. Well, right traffic for 8 right.
Called it off. Okay, flaps coming up.
Brackett Tower, Cessna 79028, holding short of 18 left at Foxtrot with requesting left close traffic.
Cessna 79028, Brackett Tower, make left traffic, runway 8 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, 028.
Just to verify, it's just runway 8, 8 left.
Runway 8 left, clear for takeoff, 028.
Cessna 604, contact ground.
604, over to ground, thanks.
November 604, right crossing departure approved, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Right crosswind departure approved, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff for Skyhawk 604. Alright, we're good to go. Lights. Camera action, the runway is clear. Runway's clear left and right, yep, we're good. Alright, a little bit of an uphill grade here. Alright.
Cessna 00 X-ray, runway 8 right, clear for the option.
Here we go.
8 right, clear for the option, 00.
Good. Okay, power's in, feet are down, flaps are up. Engine units are good.
November 90 Whiskey,
Airspeed's
frequency
coming
change
to life.
approved. Not a switch, thank you.
Engine units are good. Positive rate. Yeah, we'll hold it at 2,000.
Cessna 604, the traffic at your 1 o'clock in a mile is going to continue eastbound. That was the transitioning traffic. They're continuing eastbound to cable. They won't be a factor for you.
604, we got them on the iPad, but we'll make the right crosswind turn now.
Brackett Tower, Cessna 210 Zulu is holding short of 8 right for right close traffic.
Number 210 Zulu, Brackett Tower, make right traffic, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 right, Cessna 10 Zulu.